Hello, today we will guide you through how to record mortgage payments in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Accounting menu, then select Chart of Accounts. This is where you can view and manage the accounts connected to your business records. Starting here is helpful because mortgage-related entries need to be tied to the correct accounts so your books stay organized and accurate. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. Hovering here will reveal the available options for creating a new transaction or record. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right option, since QuickBooks offers several transaction types and each one affects your books differently. From that menu, click Check. This opens the check entry window, which is where you can manually record a mortgage payment. Using a check transaction is a common way to document payments that are made from a bank account, even if no physical paper check was written. The important part is that the payment is captured correctly in your records. Next, select the payee. This should be the lender or financial institution receiving the mortgage payment. Choosing the correct payee helps keep your reports clean and makes it easier to review payment history later. If the payee does not appear right away, you may need to search for it in your existing vendor list. After that, enter the sample category. This step is important because the category determines how the payment is classified in QuickBooks. For mortgage payments, categories are often used to separate portions such as loan principal, interest, or related expenses depending on how your accounts are set up. In this example, simply enter the category shown so the transaction is recorded in the intended account. As a general tip, always double-check categories before saving because proper categorization has a direct impact on your financial statements. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Save and Close. This records the transaction and exits the check window, returning you to the previous screen. Saving at the end ensures that all of your changes are captured properly. That's all it takes to record a mortgage payment in QuickBooks Online using a check entry. As a final reminder, it's always a good idea to review the payment details before saving to make sure the payee and category are correct. Doing this consistently can help keep your books accurate and make future reporting much easier.